So, my first question to you would be, beyond the investing prowess, what personal habits or philosophies do you think contribute most to Warren Buffett's enduring success, and what can we adapt from this in our personal lives?
So I think this came as a shocker, Warren Buffett's retirement. But I think at the age of 94, real shocker is कि कोई 94 तक कैसे वर्क कर सकता है, okay? And definitely he was not running after the money, क्योंकि if you look at his lifestyle, that was pretty simple. अभी भी जब वो annual meet में आए, so he was in his 10 years old Cadillac, right? So someone who is in say top 5, top 10 richest people in the world, I think वो कुछ भी अफोर्ड कर सकते हैं, राइट? उनकी वाइफ शायद 15 years old कार के अंदर आई, ही इज स्टिल स्टेइंग इन द हाउस व्हिच इज से 40-50 years old. सो आई थिंक जो उनका सिंपल लिविंग है, फ्रुगैलिटी है, आई थिंक विच इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एंड पीपल शुड लर्न कि नहीं तो वो हमेशा पैसे के पीछे भागते रहेंगे. अनदर इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग इज आई थिंक हिज लर्निंग. सो डेली आई थिंक ही रीड्स 4 to 5 न्यूज़पेपर्स, सारी एनुअल रिपोर्ट्स पढ़ते हैं. इतनी जो लर्निंग है, कंटिन्यूस लर्निंग, आई थिंक दैट हैज़ रियली कॉन्ट्रीब्यूटेड in his investment journey as well as his personal life. He always talks about integrity and trust. See, which is very important whether you are talking about business or say your personal life. Even if I talk about our organization, हम values की बात करते हैं, तो integrity उसमें कहीं ना कहीं top पे आती है. So if you have integrity, nothing else matters. If you don't have integrity, nothing else matters. Even my partner Vikas keeps saying on trust that trust is the highest form of human motivation, right? And trust काफ़ी चीज़ें बहुत simple कर देता है. तो Warren Buffett is really happy that investors actually trust him. Okay. Then I think his decision making process या वो emotions को कैसे कंट्रोल करते हैं. So whether it is investments or life, वो बहुत ज़रूरी है कि हम emotions पे कैसे कंट्रोल कर सकते हैं. So I think behavioral finance is a long subject. So I think this video may not be sufficient. Maybe in future we'll do something.